Okay, so the questions come up. How far do I put it through the floor opening? It's there's kind of only one way to do it. So here it is from the outside. It's going under the Shiftpod and up through the floor zipper where the floor zipper starts and ends. Very simple, very easy, very self-explanatory. So we're coming around, going in. Here we go. So here's the inside. Here's where the zipper ends, right here. There's a gap that is left by this part of the air conditioner. There's also a gap on this side that's going through the floor. Again, there's only one way to do it. To cover that gap, we use a rolled up carpet. Tuck it down in there, and that seals the gap. You can poke it through if you want to. You can use your own creativity to figure out how to seal that gap. That's how you install the Midea U-shaped air conditioner without any modifications whatsoever. Future models, we're actually going to move the end of the zipper over here to make this a lot easier and keep the doorway intact. But for now, this is your option. Thanks. Happy camping.